everybody keep up the work. Howdy, y'all. See you later. Now, folks, over here on your left-hand side is Rivertown. Now to your right-hand side, the small pond with a water wheel. That place there known as the Grist Mill. Stop by and get you some good homemade cinnamon loaf bread. Howdy, Miss Lillian down there. Yeah, we'll see Miss Lillian here in a little bit. She'll be dancing around for you. But anyway, be sure to stop by and get that good homemade cinnamon loaf bread located at the Grist Mill. That's where the pond was and that big old water wheel. Now folks, just stay seated as I travel you back in time. I'm going to tell you about this rolling piece of history. Go right behind. Now the years. And engine 192 is built. It weighs over 211,000 pounds. It's power 282 locomotive. Over 280,000 tons flies material along with thousands trooping other. Over 280,000 tons flies material along with thousands troops and other personnel travel behind this very engineer right by right now. Up to 34 trains a day ran in support of road construction in only 9 months. What seemed impossible became possible. Bet you didn't realize you're right behind a true veteran of World War II. We here at Dollywood are proud of all veterans from all branches of the military, and our thoughts and prayers go with those on active duty today. Now folks, we got some new and exciting things here happening in Dollywood. They say progress is impossible without change. Well, here at Dollywood, we're always looking to grow and create new experiences for our guests. However, it does take a little mess to achieve such great success sometimes. Miss Dolly will be back later on in the year and tell you all about it. Now, engine 192 retired in the year 1961. And in 61, she also was sold to us. Theme park named Rebel Railroad. That's when she eventually became known as Lord Hey, look up there right hand side, ladies. Engineer Steven. Come on, everybody, wave at it. Engineer Steven up there. Hey, howdy, Steven. Klondike Caddy. Now, Klondike Caddies remain here through the evolution of art from Rebel Railroad to Gold Rush Country until the father's put in to break today Dollywood, where she continues her tradition of hard work. Relax and enjoy the good disagree. Listen to the engine's first iron through the mountains. Alrighty, folks, today, so just to let you know, I guess Miss Dolly, when she come back and visited us again, she went out there and walked around and just lost her earrings. So they're hunting for Dolly Parton too, they go over there. No, just kidding. But Miss Dolly herself will be back later on in the year and tell you all about her 5-acre expansion.
That's a Dollywood. Are they building it?
Oh, yeah, folks. Can't leave out the financial district here at Dollywood. On the left side, you got one bank, and on the right side, you got the other bank. Can't withdraw. I'm sorry. Hey, folks, over here on your right-hand side is Wilderness House. I'll tell you more about it on the way back down to town. And be sure to stop with that friendly lodge down there. Kick back in the rocking chair. The Cherokee Indians call these mountains place of the blue smoke. There are more flowering plants and trees than anywhere else in the United States. Even in the air, you can hear the music of over 200 different species of bird. The Smokies are a never-ending song that changes with each season and each terrified. Hey folks, right side, there's a McGillicuddy sitting out there watching the train go by. Well, it looks like they fell asleep waiting on this little train to go by their little homestead. Applause for Engineer 192, Klondike Katie, and Engineer Steven. And it was Steven and Klondike Katie saying thank you very much. Folks, right quick, left side above a tree line, those blue mountains way over yonder in the sky. That is a portion of your great Smoky Mountains, a breathtaking view. Now you know why the Cherokee Indians call these mountains place of the blue smoke.